People are tired in a new way. Not physically, not emotionally, systemically. You wake up tired even after rest. You finish days without knowing what you accomplished. You feel behind without knowing what you missed. And the most confusing part is this: you're not doing anything wrong. The exhaustion isn't caused by failure. It's caused by exposure. Modern life demands constant readiness, not action, readiness. The system never asks you to work non-stop. It asks you to stay alert non-stop. That is far more draining. Rest used to mean separation. Work ended. Home began. Silence followed. Today, rest happens inside the same systems that create pressure. Phones don't turn off expectation. They preserve it. Even in rest, the mind stays open, waiting, scanning, preparing. This creates cognitive fatigue. Your body may stop, but your nervous system does not. Recovery requires closure. Modern systems remove closure. Nothing finishes anymore. It only pauses. Every platform promises convenience. What it delivers is interruption. Notifications fragment attention. Feeds fragment identity. Metrics fragment self-worth. The brain evolved for focus. The system rewards responsiveness. This mismatch creates strain. You are never late, but you are never done. That condition produces exhaustion without visible effort. The mind burns energy simply maintaining context. This is why doing nothing feels tiring. The most dangerous fatigue is the kind without explanation. When people know why they're tired, they endure. When fatigue feels unjustified, it turns inward. People assume weakness, lack of discipline, loss of edge. But the issue isn't capacity, it's load, invisible load, decision load, context load, comparison load. You are carrying more than you can see. The system is optimized for output, not sustainability. Burnout is not a flaw, it's a delayed signal. The system extracts attention first, then time, then energy. Recovery is treated as inefficiency, but humans are not machines. We require rhythm, completion, silence. Without them, fatigue accumulates quietly. The answer is not quitting, it's redesign. Reducing exposure, restoring boundaries, reintroducing closure. Energy returns when attention stops leaking. Not everything deserves access to you, and the most radical act now is finishing something. If you feel exhausted without knowing why, it's not a personal failure, it's a systemic one, and understanding this is the first step toward reclaiming yourself.